Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name's Thomas if you're brand new here, and usually I make style and hair related videos every single week, but in this video today I wanted to talk about my titty workout. So a lot of you have been asking me for my routines and stuff that I've been doing because obviously you've been seeing on Instagram and also in my videos my body is starting to change shape. I am not a physician and I'm not a PT, so anything that you try from this video that I show you is out of my own experience and up to your discretion, but I really wanted to bring it forward because a lot of you have been asking about it, and that's why I'm doing it today. And I do know a thing or two about pushing through that barrier of feeling like exercise is such a chore. So I wanted to sit down and have a chat with you first, just about the mentality of getting into fitness. So if you're somebody who doesn't really know a lot about fitness, or you're kind of a little bit like, oh, I'm not confident in getting started, this is particularly for you. For me, what I noticed I was doing was I was being very problem focused when I looked at exercise rather than goal focused. And what I mean by that, just a great example is I would be scrolling on my Instagram feed and I follow lots of like very attractive boys and they have beautiful bodies, and I would fall into this trap of looking at their Instagrams and going, oh, their body's so beautiful, or they've got this and I don't, I'm shit. And focusing more so on the fact that I didn't have what they have rather than focusing on what I've got to do to actually get what they have. The difference in the thinking is, instead of looking at somebody that's got a great body as a defeat, like it defeats you, you look at it as inspo. So what do they have? I know I want it, and what do they do to get it? So I went and had a look at one of the boys who I follow on Instagram, who I kind of like look at for inspo. His name's Eric Smith, and he has like the best bazongas I've ever seen, right? Like, he is definitely tit goal for me. And I was wondering how he actually gets his tits to look the way that they do. And at the time he had a YouTube channel and he posted on there his actual tit routine or his chest workout routine, which is just a set of push-ups, which is what I'm going to be taking you through today. I did go and look for his video before making this one, and he's actually taken all of his content down. So yeah, I guess it's just you and me doing this routine. But the main thing is, if you're looking at me on Instagram or you're looking at anyone else on Instagram going, oh, they have the best body and I don't, that is what I would call problem-focused thinking. And what you want to do is go, what is that person doing to get that body? And what do I need to do to get it as well? Okay? So let's get down a level lower and we'll start talking some tips. So this routine I'm about to show you, this is perfect for beginners, and this is what I started doing when I started working on my chest. I'm now over on the bar. You can probably see in this camera, I now use the bar because after doing this push-up routine enough, my chest has grown enough strength, and now I'm using that to grow even further. But if you're just beginning, this is going to be the perfect thing for you to get started, and if you stick to it, you will see results and you will be on your way to taking Instagram shots just like this. I love how oiled up I am right now. Ooh, boing, boing, boing. I'm gonna need a bra soon. So the routine's very simple. It's literally just push-ups. It's 5 different push-up variations, and they're all designed to work different parts of your chest. So the variations we've got is just a normal push-up like this. So we'll put our hands a little bit outside of our shoulders and we'll be like this. And then we're gonna go down, chin to the floor, up. And then you'll do that 5 times over. Then the next variation is we're going to do a wide. So we're going to put our arms out quite wide, and this is going to work the inner chest. And what we're going to do is like this, down, up. Then the next variation we've got is the wide but twisted. So you're going to twist your hands out a little bit like this and keeping that wide stance. And what that's supposed to do is work the under titty. So I'll just show you a variation of that. Up. The next two are a little bit trickier. So we've got a diamond push-up, which is where we put our hands together like this in a diamond shape. When we do a diamond push-up, we want to make sure our elbows are going back. We don't want to go out like that. And diamond push-ups are usually the hardest. So what we're going to do for this one is we're going to get our chest over our hands, then we're going to go down, up. You want to get as low as possible. So that's the diamond one. And then we're going to do the alternating ones. So this is a little bit tricky and it might take a bit of coordination, but to begin with, what you want to do is put one hand down here, kind of near, a little bit below your nipple, and then your other one up here, and when you get really good at it, you can put your leg up like that. But if you're just starting out, you just want to go like this. And we're going to go down, up, and we're going to swap. So they're alternating. Down, swap. So with the variations for this beginner workout, we're going to do 5 of each push-up 4 times over. And if you're really ambitious, you want to go 5. So it should be 5 or 4 sets of 5 push-ups of each, if that makes sense. So when I do this as well, I like to go with the hardest first. If I just get the hard ones out of the way, then the rest all seem easier. So for me, alternating push-ups and the diamond push-ups are always the hardest. So let's start with the alternating one, because I actually hate this one, and you'll feel it as well once you do it. But we're going to put our hands out, and because this is an alternating one, I'm actually going to do 6 of this, so I can get like an even amount on each side, but for the rest I'm going to do 5, okay? I'm not trying to change the story on you too much. All right, let's go. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now no resting either, you want to go straight into the next set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I did 6 there too, whoops. Okay, normals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wide twisted, so we're going to turn our hands out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There you go. And that's 1 set, and I'm already sweating, but it is really hot here in this country. And already after the first set, you should feel your tits starting to swell up. This means you're tearing the fibers, and if this starts to puff along with your arms, you know you're doing the right thing, but you have to keep going. All right, so now it's been about 45 seconds since I stopped. So I'm gonna get straight into the next set. I'm gonna speed up through these, and we're gonna do 4 rounds, all right? So here we go. And we'll have a look at how puffy my tits are afterwards. Oh, I'm pooped. So even after that, like I haven't done that routine in quite a while since I've been working on the bar, but that's tough. I'm probably going to be sore from that tomorrow, and I think that's because I haven't been doing those exact push-up routines. I've been more working this way, but try it out and remain consistent. When I watched Eric's video, back when he had it live, he said to do it like every 2 to 3 days. Doing it every day is probably not going to be the best thing because you do need to let the muscle repair, and you will be sore if you haven't been working out for a while. So yeah, if you have any questions about it as well, please feel free to leave me a comment. I'm always happy to answer more questions, and let me know what part of my fitness routine you want to see next. Do you want to see how I do my belly? Do you want to see how I do my legs and butt? Do you want to see how I eat? What is the next thing that I need to do? Because I thought titties was the best place to start because that's actually like my favorite part of the body. But yeah, you guys let me know, all right? And let me know how I did for my first workout video because this is the first time for me, and how'd I do? If any of you guys tried this at home and find it useful, please let me know because I'm always looking for feedback on how I can make things better and etc. And that's pretty much all I got for you. Stay tuned for more, and I'll see you next week for another video. Catch you later.